In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix iPhone stuck on attempting data recovery. So let's just get straight into the video. Often the process is just slow. Let the phone sit up to an hour to see if it completes. However, if that doesn't work, then try force restarting. All you need to do is simply press and quickly release the volume up, and then press and quickly release the volume down, then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Also try to update via a computer by connecting the iPhone to a computer via USB cable. Open iTunes or Finder, and then simply go ahead and follow the force restart steps, but keep holding the buttons until you see the connect to computer. When the prompt appears on the computer, choose update, not restore, to reinstall the OS without erasing data. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.